Thank you, bhai. Hi, everyone. Hello.
Take a chair, na?
Huh?
Take a chair.
I have some housework. 2 minutes. List. Hello. What do you guys think about the series? Please tell us. We worked really hard.
Nice storyline. Thank God.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for people. Thank you everybody who's saying ki story achhi thi because we were
that's the whole point.
concentrating only on that.
This year we wanted to change a few things about Ragini, like add more stuff to it, add more acting, add more story. So, thank you. So, add more acting, add more story, and some meaning to the series.
And like give out a message.
Hi, bhai.
Divya got to play. Oh, kya ho raha hai? Divya got to play a double role.
Yeah, that was a very shocking thing for me when I heard that I am going to play Savitri Devi as well. I think that's the more reason why I wanted to do Ragini, because I'll get to show not only my hot and sexy side, but also, where people see me in a different position, that respect, that love, and things that Savitri Devi did, I think we all should do.
Yeah, kill all the creeps.
Yeah, that's Kasturi. We want one Kasturi in India, yaar. Ye sare rapists sab marenge.
You both were fabulous. Thank you.
Tell them that we are going to share some BTS and everything.
Yeah, we'll be sharing a lot of stuff. Divya?
Yes? Okay.
But all the things will close.
We'll see. I'll tell them when I order home. I know. We got ready, I know. But let's see. We're very stressed, baby.
Love your Savitri Devi look.
Thank you.
And like in all my interviews, I mentioned this that Divya has aced in particular scenes. I was talking about the era that she became Savitri Devi. So that was my entire thing. Jab Divya became Savitri Devi, that was like my favorite era. You were looking too hot in the series. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. For me, I think the possession scene was very challenging. It wasn't easy. It wasn't like, obviously I haven't ever got possessed, so I don't know that how will I pull it off. It went off well. All of it went off really well. You both look great together. Thank you. God bless you both. Thank you. Devrun aced it. Aditya bhai, thank you. Aditya Huria is in Devrun aced it together.
Please meet us, brother.
It's been so long.
It's been really long and I'm really upset about it. Please meet us, Mr. Aditya Huria.
When is the sequel coming out?
Oh, Varun's, let me do it for you. Cutie. Hi, Shreya. Shreya has also been a part of Ragini. She's worked her off. Guys, why don't you all ask some questions? You all always tell us, please come live. Abhi hum live aaye hain. All you do is hi.
And you guys send emoticons.
Yeah, I mean, talk to us.
If you have any questions regarding any particular scene, or how was this particular thing made or that particular thing made, you can ask us that. And now since the show is over, we can tell you what happened where, and our experiences shooting the whole thing. What is your favorite moment in the set? Now that's a question.
Yeah, that's a question.
I think every time all the actors met up and did a scene, because there weren't a lot of scenes where all the 13 people were there in one frame. So I think when everybody met up in a particular scene, that was my favorite bit. 2-3 बार ही हुआ है, but जितनी बार हुआ है मजा आया था.
It's fun shooting with other actors.
How did you manage to shoot with a broken leg, Dee?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my broken leg, broken arm. Kitna stories I have. The bruises are still there. So yeah, I got hurt a lot of times. I was falling here and there in scenes.
Why last episode is not available? Maybe because the site crashed today itself.
Yeah, again the site crash. Thanks to you.
Yeah,
guys.
for the first 4 days, I think when the series launched, when the first 6 episodes came out, तो site crash हो गई थी, and I think आज वापस वही हो रहा है.
My favorite scene would be with Varun. I think the car sequence where he's flirting with me for the first time, and my personal favorite would be when Savitri Devi is fighting with the villagers.
Hats off to you. फिटनेस का भी बता दो कुछ. शो पे फिट रहने का तो बहुत मुश्किल सीन था.
Fitness was the biggest task, I feel.
But to stay fit during the shoot was like one of the biggest challenges because you had to look a certain way and time इतना नहीं मिल रहा था. तब लग रहा था कि 24 hours days में एक डे में बहुत कम होते. But we had to find a way out. We had to figure out कि how do we stay fit in that schedule. BTS funny moments. There were a lot of moments where all the actors were shooting, and कभी-कभी होता था that we have to enter frame while opening the door. तो जिसको door खोलना होता था हम उसको पकड़ लेते थे, and like a lot of takes happened because we used to enter laughing, and it was just like when everybody used to meet, then everything on the set was funny throughout. When the shoot happened a long time back. Editing was going on, some patchwork was going on, dubbing was going on. When are you both next coming on television? Very soon, actually. That we shall tell you guys when it happens. Ever laughed in serious scene? A lot of times. Oh. So many times. If you remember the last episode when Divya and I enter, when Ragini and Rahul enter the set and they see their friends in the white sari and all the two guys in that Fasi Ka Fanda.
What are they asking?
The funny part while shooting a scary scene.
Oh yeah.
So the moment I entered, I saw Gaurav's face and he was like smiling at me because he wasn't in the frame.
What's your New Year plan? So New Year plan is, this is something I wanted to talk about with you guys. What we have decided in this New Year is we'll go to the Gurdwara, we'll seek some blessings. It's been a great year and we hope next year should be even more better. And also helping all the traffic police walas here around in Mumbai. We'll go around and probably give them some juice or some snacks. And tell them because they've been leaving their houses and celebrating like this, so we're gonna be with them.
Yeah, next project it'll be fiction only. It's not going to be it won't be non-fiction. So
yeah,
next be fiction hoga. That's the only hint we can give you. Love school join कर लो, नहीं करना, हमारी love life perfect जा रही है.
Come to Dubai, will come very soon.
Very soon.
January is all about travel.
Oh यार, January will be crazy man.
January हमने जितने travel pending रखे थे वो सारे January में push कर दिए. So you'll be seeing us all around the places.
Acted too well in the series, both of you. Thank you. Thank you. Please dance on Hello Ji. No. Winning. Divya copied me actually.
Yeah, I copied him today. Fine. But I select your clothes.
Yeah, you bought this for me.
Yeah.
Any scene you feel you could have done better? A lot of them actually.
Lot of them.
I won't lie.
Lot of them.
I won't lie.
Oh God.
I found a lot of mistakes, like not a lot, but like I found mistakes when I was watching the series. I thought I could have given that scene enough time, but
I
ठीक है,
think some of my dubbing needed more attention.
ठीक है, we all learn.
Yeah.
पहला हमारा एक्टिंग डेब्यू था, तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वाले में
इतना
काफी
मस्त है।
बेटर होगा. नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट वेब सीरीज और डेली सोप. वेब सीरीज.
Web series.
बोथ ऑफ अस.
Daily soaps, we've been being talked about them. Like we always got a lot of offers from
Daily soap.
the daily soaps, but then
But web is like so interesting because the story is such and you get to play different characters.
fast, it's paced.
And something that people like really enjoy watching also, like the
Yeah.
youth and everybody.
We personally love web series. So it'd be better if we do web series. I'm keeping your clothes inside.
ठीक है. Why not? That's a long discussion to make.
What?
Nothing. आजा. आजा. हो गए. हो गए 2 मिनट.
Just keep these.
आ रही. दिव्या.
अरे आई.
2 मिनट सच्ची हो गए. By the clock. When is next YouTube video coming out?
Oh, for this question you called me. Now, I think our entire focus will be on our YouTube channel. Yeah, we'll do a lot for YouTube channel. We have shot so many things, but Vedant is yet to release once he's free.
What was it?
She loved it. She really loved it, and I think she's really molded our characters really better. Show your home. We should do a home tour on our YouTube.
Shall do it very soon. Love the
Yeah.
whole series. You guys aced it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. बिग बॉस में आओ यार. नहीं आना बिग बॉस में हमको. विवेक ब्रदर, थैंक यू सो मच यार.
मुझे थोड़ी स्पेस दे दोगे तो तुम्हारा बुलाने का मन. ओए पाकिस्तान. हेलो. पाकिस्तान में रागिनी है.
VPN से कुछ भी हो सकता है. क्या हुआ? अभी तो हम बच्चे हैं.
हाँ, तुम बच्चे हो.
नो.
नो.
रॉकेट वी आर नॉट. Madhvi, we are not a part of it.
We're not a part of Roadies, not.
Not a part of Roadies.
I think now it's high time we deliver you some good and different other stuff. Acting the role of Ragini and Rahul. Obviously, the feeling was good.
Feeling was great, but also like because I knew her as Divya for so long,
This is fun.
calling her Ragini was very like
Yeah.
strange. I won't call it weird. I'll call it strange.
I got to play it too, so I was in a better place.
I also got to like lift you up and throw you.
Yeah. You slapped me also.
I don't know who I've been.
You were Veer Pratap also. And talk about East Space.
No,
East Space is done.
it's done. It's been a year. There's been a different winner.
Yeah.
All of that has happened. We've done other things in life after that show.
प्लान तो हम कर रहे हैं.
प्लान तो हम कर रहे हैं यार.
बॉलीवुड देख ले हमारी प्लानिंग तो ठीक है.
The day it happens, it'll be great.
It'll be amazing. I think that'll be the thing which I always wanted. Please don't shave.
अरे I didn't plan to shave. Yeah.
Yeah. What's for dinner? Dinner. So 3-4 दिन से मैंने मस्त छुट्टी ली हुई है. I'm not cooking much. थोड़ा बहुत I cook.
कितना ईयर हुआ आपका रिलेशनशिप को? एक.
1 year.
1 year. What gave you an idea to do this? There was no idea.
There's no idea behind it.
हमको कॉल आया और हमने जाके स्टोरी सुनी and then that's how we did it.
Yeah, we liked the story. We liked how the story had message from so many eras. Like Captain Burns being a big. So yeah, from Captain Burns to Savitri Devi to Veer Pratap Singh to Saurabh, I think we had negative characters throughout in our lives.
Yeah. Why is the sky blue? Are you like?
No.
Are you in class 1?
Yeah. 2019 has been really great.
2019 has been great. We have worked almost every single day.
Yeah.
365 days होते हैं, हमने कम से कम 300 तो काम किए.
आराम से. And made this beautiful house.
Yes.
देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं.
अरे मैं क्या करूँ यार?
आप पूरी स्क्रीन ले लेते हो. ओह भारी है. मैरिज इज वेरी. यार थोड़ा टाइम तो दो. लेट अस एंजॉय आवर कपल लाइफ एंड देन. What?
करो.
Can you rate Varun's acting out of 10? I think 8 because 2 for what was your thing in 8?
To be honest,
2 for correcting himself.
there's always room for improvement.
Yeah. there's
Also,
always room for
I'll be
improvement.
honest. Starting में अगर आप ये पूछते थे तो 5 भी नहीं बोलती शायद. 3 because day 1 I screwed up so much. I know it. Thank God उसके सब montage shots use हुए.
Yeah, not
But
much of those.
I know कि first day मैंने इतना screw up किया था because
No, then
I
you're
was.
a quick learner. You're a very quick learner. Very impressive.
आप लोग
Thank
theatre
you.
करेंगे.
He was so loud and so technical about each thing. I remember. But then those were great lessons what he learned from his acting school. That was more of a theatre school.
Yeah,
I
it's a
would say.
theatre
It's a theatre
school,
school,
yeah.
right? Yeah. So it was a theatre school, and I think Varun should do theatres as well. Our mom's reaction, I think that's what we were worried because of some scenes. But then our scenes totally were covered up by our acting, by the story.
Because the entire thing was so realistic that even our parents thought कि ये लोग राहुल रागिनी हैं.
Yeah, it was more than just intimate scenes. Thank you.
Thank you. Watched all shows, you both were amazing. Thank you. One thing of a character you want in yourself.
I think I want to be as brave as Savitri to kill her own brother.
चलो, we have to go.
Wait. It's okay. You can keep it on.
No?
Like for a while.
Okay.
चाबी यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, it's okay. Live is on. Hi, mom.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Papa. हाँ जी.
Hello.
Hi. Mom, Dad, home. Live है पापा हम Instagram पे.
मम्मी डैडी है?
नहीं Instagram पे हमारे सोशल मीडिया पे हम लाइव है. Innocent. की है?